in the house. In this video, I want to teach you guys how to properly band your stomach after birth, after giving birth, even if it is your first child or your second child or so. So how to properly band your stomach so that the remaining clots of blood will properly come out from your belly, leaving your belly flat and clean. Yes, so in this video, I want to show you the home method that you can use. It is not necessary for you to use this waist belt, yes, that you are seeing now on my screen. What I used what I have at home. You know, many of you will think because you don't have enough money to get your binding belt or your waist belt, that is the reason why your tummy is fluffy, big, or changing color. I will tell you guys that it is what you do during your pregnancy or immediately after you give birth to your baby that will cause all the reaction that you are seeing on your body and on your stomach. Like for instance, when your tummy is inching you and you are inching it, that will cause a lot of stretch mark and a lot of other stuff that women used to have, even though you are supposed to do something in order to prevent it or in order to reduce it. But that kind of hurt, like inching your stomach or rubbing places on your stomach, will cause your tummy to get every of these reactions, stretch mark, tummy fluffy, all those big tummy after or tummy discoloration after giving birth. So in this video, I'll be teaching you what you will do during your pregnancy in order for your tummy not to, change, color. My tummy did not change color. If I had known, there's a video I did that I showed my stomach, but in this video I decided to use this in order for me to change, to put on clothes properly. So I will tell you what you would use in order for your stomach to remain the same color with your body, rather than changing your color. Number one thing that you will use is palm kernel oil. When you find out that your stomach is inching you, that you are having inching, do not inch it. Instead, use that palm kernel oil to rub it to stop the inching. Then the number two thing that you can use is your coconut oil. Coconut oil is very, very essential. It's very, very important for your stomach, even for your body, to prevent many stretch marks. Me, if I'm pregnant, I don't use cream because it used to make me want to throw off. I don't use cream. I don't use all this perfume, and the only thing I use is my palm kernel oil or my shea butter or coconut oil, and I do them by myself. You can do it by yourself. Avocado oil, you can do it by yourself. That will be in my next video. I will teach you how you will do it. I tell you the truth that if you are using this oil on your body, then after your pregnancy, you will see that everything will be of the same color. You will not have any issue, to like start, body shaming or not feel comfortable with yourself. So after you use the coconut oil, the next thing that you will do after you have given birth, it is not a must that you go to all this big hospital. In a big hospital, they will offer you their belts. They will use it to band. There's a way they will band the belt, and every clot of blood will push out by itself. And I will also tell you in this video that using all this hot water, the way our mothers in Africa used to do it for us, it is not necessary. It will even cause your stomach to change color, to be darker than your body. You understand? Do not allow it to be too hot, like very hot. No, just use the mere hot water and press yourself. Then use your waistband or your clothes to band yourself, and you will find out that the clots of blood will find their way out from your body and your stomach will be flat. In fact, when I gave birth, I was the one that pressed myself. and my stomach is more even flatter than this. I've given birth to 4 children, and my stomach is like this, and my stomach color has never changed. And this stretch mark, I have it under my stomach because I prevented it. Assuming the way my stomach is itching me and I'm inching it, you find out that every of my stomach there will be stretch marks. So how to properly band your stomach at home is what I want to teach you right now. That is the second stage. This is how to band your stomach at home. You can use your wrapper. Yes, you can use your wrapper. You can use what is this? You can look for a flat plate. You understand? Put it on your stomach and also use your wrapper on it. But I'll be teaching you in this video how to do it. Then you can also use your waist belt, the one that you have, any waist belt at all that you have. So the number one stage I want to teach you is how to use your wrapper. Guys, you can see. This is how I'm holding the wrapper. You can see. Then let's start from here. So watch me. You can see. Make sure that it's very, very tight. Press your stomach inside and use it. You find out. Okay. You can see the way I'm twisting the wrapper. You can see. This is how you will do it. Do it. You can see. Then guys, it is very, very tight. Very tight. So this is the wrapper I have at home. I join it together. You can join your wrappers. Maybe like 4, 5 wrappers. You join it together so that it will be enough. Guys, as you can see, Lord, we women, we are going through a lot. You know that I cannot breathe. So this is how you will leave it. And make sure that you leave it at least, 4 hours to 3 hours. Guys. But please, disclaimer, I am not a specialist on this. I'm just, teaching you guys through my own experience. So this is how it is. Now, the second stage. This second stage, you can just use 2 of the wrapper. You can just use 2 of the wrapper. You don't need plenty wrapper, even 1. If you have a longer wrapper, you can use 1. You fold it just like this. You can see. Fold it just like this. Then get your flat plate. What I use is stainless. Not the stainless. I was holding this flat plate here in Nigeria. Or you get flat something like this. Put it on your stomach. Make sure you press your stomach inside before you put it. Then, but this part of this one, you allow somebody to help you. Don't do it by yourself because your hand will not be strong enough. You understand? Put it on your stomach, as you can see. I hope you guys can see me. I'm putting the plate on my tummy. You can see. Then you allow somebody to tie it very tight. Let it be very tight. This is the one I used. Maybe because this is the one I did. So you don't need to start looking for waist belts. Even if you do not have a waist belt, even if you don't have waistband, you understand, you can do it. Allow somebody to tie it for you. Because the best, if somebody help you, it will be stronger than the one that you do. Now, the final stage is this. How to properly use, if you have waist belt, how to properly use it if you have just given birth, how to properly use it. Guys, the target should be here. The target should be from here to here. This is our, you can see, so that you can cover your stomach. Don't take it up, don't take it too low. Put it in the middle of your stomach. You see, you can see this is it. And if your tummy belt is not having this, maybe look for a wrapper and tie it on top of it. You understand? Tie it like 2 times. You can see. So this is. Make sure that it's very tight. So guys, make sure that it is very tight. Let it be very, very tight. So guys, women, we are really trying. But it's not easy. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, or you have people that needs to watch this video, I want you to share it with them. And if you have enjoyed this video, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow for more tips on how to take care of yourself and how to use home remedy to get your body back, even as a mother. I give a tip for mothers how to look good, and I even give tip on how to grow on this platform. Everything for our mommies is on this platform. If you want to become a YouTuber and you're a mother, how to manage your family with this platform, I'll teach you on this platform. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below to help me spread this video. See you in my next video. Bye.